Hello students, this is Miss Mishu and this is your types of taxes assignment. Hopefully this will help you complete this and understand the material. Question 1. Assume that you earn $995 gross pay each week. How much would be withdrawn for FICA each week? Remember, FICA is Social Security. It stands for Federal Insurance Contributions Act. Do you remember the percent withdrawn for FICA? It's 6.2%. Therefore, you take $995, multiply by 0.062, and your answer is $61.69. How much would be withdrawn each year? Well, how many weeks are there in a year? 52. So you would take $61.69 multiplied by 52. Your answer would be $3,207.88 per year. Assume that you earn that same $995 gross pay each week, but now calculate how much would be withdrawn for Medicare. What is the percent withdrawn for Medicare? Do you remember? It's 1.45%. So you would take $995 multiplied by 0.0145. $14.43 would be withdrawn each week for Medicare. And how much would be withdrawn each year? You'd multiply 1443 by 52. Your answer is $750.36. Question 3. What three factors determine how much is withdrawn for federal and state income tax? Now, we've done this before with our net pay assignments earlier in the semester. Do you remember? The answer is the wages you earn, your marital status, and the number of withholding allowances you claim. These are the number of people that are financially dependent upon you. Question 4. Assume you are single, claim one withholding allowance, and earn $995 each week. How much would be withdrawn for federal income tax each week? So this is where you have to look at the tables at the bottom of your handout. You have to look at the single table for federal. You want to find $995, which is at least $990, but less than $1,000. You claim one withholding allowance. So you'll locate the intersection of the wages and the number of withholding allowance. So your answer is $136. How much would be withdrawn for federal income tax each year? 136 times 52, because there are 52 weeks in a year. Your answer is $7,072. So that's federal income tax, which is more. More is withdrawn for federal than state. Question 5. How much would be withdrawn for state income tax? Again, you need to look at the correct table. This one usually is landscape, so you have to kind of tip your head sideways. 995 is at least 990, but less than 1010. You claim one withholding allowance. Again, find the intersection. Your answer is $48. How much would be withdrawn for state income tax each year? You multiply 48 by 52. Your answer is $2,496. Question 6, you have to look up online. What is the main sales tax rate? Unless you know. 5.5%. Assume you purchased a new computer for $1,250. How much sales tax can you expect to pay? multiply 1250 by 0.055, you would pay $68.75 in sales tax. What would be the total purchase price? You'd add the cost of the computer, $12.50, plus the sales tax, so the total purchase price would be $1,318.75. Assume that your home is valued at $299,900 and the tax rate is what you see in the screenshot below. So here it's $10.95 per $1,000 of value. So that's a per mil rate. So for every $1,000 value of your home, you pay $10.95. How much can you expect to pay per year for property taxes? Take 299,900 divided by 1,000. Multiply that by 10.95. You would pay $3,283.91 per year for property taxes. How much per month? How many months are there in a year? So you take $3,283.91 divided by 12. Your answer would be $273.66. What are user fees? They are taxes collected for a particular service, such as licenses, building permits, sports arenas, museums, parks, zoos, and tolls. What is the main difference between Medicare and Medicaid? Medicare is solely a federal program in which 1.45% is deducted from employees' paychecks. Medicaid is both a federal and state health insurance program for low-income and needy people. It covers children, the aged, blind, and or disabled, and other people who are eligible to receive federally assisted income maintenance payments. So there you go. Hopefully this helped. Thank you.